our new tires. Grazie, Mr. Lightning, grazie.
Would you look at that?
Our first real customer in years. I am filled with tears of ecstasy, for this is the most glorious day of my life.
All right, Luigi. Give me the best set of black balls you've got.
No. You don't know what you want. Luigi, know what you want. Black wall tires. They blend into the pavement. But these white wall tires, they say, look at me. Here I am. Love me.
All right, you're the expert. Oh, and don't forget the spare.
Perfetto. Guido.
Pit stop.
Well, if you ever plan to go to West.
What did Luigi tell you, eh?
Wow, you were right. Better than a Ferrari, huh?
No.
Get your kicks on Route 66.
Wow, this organic fuel is great. Why haven't I heard about it before?
It's a conspiracy, man. The oil companies got a grip on the government. They're feeding us a bunch of lies, man.
Okay, I'll take a case.
It goes through St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty, you see. Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona, don't forget Winona, Kingswood, Moscow, San Bernardino, more to you. Get hip to this kind of music. Take that California trip.
Here she comes.
Okay, places, everybody. Hurry. Act natural.
Good night, Sally.
All right, what's going on?
Ladies and gentlecars, please welcome the new Lightning McQueen.
Wow. What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.
I'll say, ciao. You're gonna fit right in California. Oh my goodness, looks like you've helped everybody in town.
Yeah, everybody except one. Hey, is it getting dark out?
What? What did he say?
Let me say that again. Is it getting dark out?
Now, what was I supposed to do after that?
Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream. Shaboom. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and open we'll meet again. Boom, ding dong, ding dong.
They fixed their neon.
Life would be a dream. If only all my precious plans would come true.
Low and slow.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Life would be a dream, sweetheart.
Just like in its heyday, right?
It's even better than I pictured it. Thank you.
Shaboom, if I could take you up in paradise up above. Shaboom, you know me, darling, I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hope we'll meet again.
Shall we cruise?
Oh, thank you, dear. I'd love to.
Lizzie!
I remember when Stanley first asked me to take a drive with him.
Hey, Miss Sally, may I have this cruise?
Of course, Mater.
Again, and I said no. And he asked me again, and I said no. But oh, he was a persistent little bugger for a two-cylinder. Finally, I said, all right, one little drive.
Life could be a dream.
Hey!
Thanks, Mater.
Good evening, you two.
Oh, Stanley, I wish you could see this.
Is that what I think it is?
Oh, I Flo. I haven't had a chance to find out, but I am going to find out. Hello.
Not that. That.